I just want to tell you some fun features about this beautiful little wind chime light that we received. The packaging was so perfect. It is a little bit breakable, I feel like, but it all comes securely with the wind chime, and we chose the star, and it does come with directions. I'm not sure if you really need them. Well, you might, because I didn't realize that the best is to lay it out in pure sunlight for 8 hours to get the LED light to start working. But like I said, we star one, and we absolutely love it. It is so peaceful and works perfect on our porch. And I just needed to show you kind of close up what it looks like when it turns dark, the little glass shattering effect. And like I said, it was getting a little bit darker now, and you can see that it's already glowing up a little bit, and at night it looks so beautiful. So I love it, and I love this little piece.